Welcome back to ScaleSpeedworks. My name's Mike. Today we got a little shop card shout out and a little mail call. First things first, shop card from Mars over at Mars Garage. Thank you very much for the card, sir, and thank you for the kind words on the back. Absolutely love the artwork. Killer car. Thank you very much for sending this out my way. I really appreciate it. If you guys have not checked out Mars at Mars Garage, you need to head on over there and check out what he's doing with the scale build of Gentleman. His car is coming along and it looks pretty darn awesome. So a link for Mars's channel will be in the description of this video below. A little mail call. Picked up this the other day. It's a 1/32 scale Ford Aeromax. It looked cool. It was affordable. I picked it up. If nothing else, it'll get built next February. Also picked this up. I don't know what it is about this, but this thing just looks freaking awesome. So much potential here. Brand new, sealed. I wish I paid that for it. I did not, unfortunately, but it's what it is. Yeah, pretty excited about this, and this might show up on maybe a Rusty Rocker's model car club build. I don't know. We'll have to wait and find out. All right, next I picked up one of these. Don't really have too many plans for it. I know it's not really a fantastic kit with over 53 pieces, but it is what it is, and if you want to build an international scout, this is pretty much your only option. Next, I picked up one of these. I already have one in my collection, but I think I have some plans for this, especially with the turbo engine. So, pretty excited about this one. Again, the box is open, but I don't really care. All the pieces are there. Everything's accounted for. All right, next, I had to pick up one of these. This is my second or third Mustang SVO from MPC. I do not yet have a monogram one, and that's all right for right now. I also have plans with this. This is going to be kit bashed, I think, with another kit. But again, this is sealed. I got a really awesome deal on this. And if you guys want to see what's inside this kit, I will leave a link to the classic kit review I did in the description below. So with both the Ford Thunderbird Turbo Coupe and the Mustang SVO, I also picked up one of these. Now, for those of you who are in the know, these are very hard to come by. This is the second Revell Ford EXP kit that I have in my collection. I do have 3 of the MPC kits, and maybe one day I'll do a comparison. Let me know if you guys would like to see that. If so, I'll do a kit comparison. If not, no big deal. For the NASCAR build, I did manage to get a 2005 Monte Carlo. For those of you, again, that helped me with the decals, I really and truly appreciate all your help and all your support. I'm in no hurry to do this NASCAR group build, although I should probably get on it sooner rather than later. I'm not sure if I showed this on the last haul video that I had. I don't think I had it then, but I just picked this up not too long ago. Really excited about this. This is obviously the Revell auto transporter. I haven't opened it up. It's still sealed. This is one of the newer Revell kits that just has a little tabs on the sides of the box. And I will be doing a buddy build with Chuck over at Rides by Chuck. I will leave a link to Chuck's channel in the description below. But Chuck has the AMT version of this same kit. So what I think we're going to do is I think we're going to do an unboxing, kind of compare the kits, and then we're going to do a little build. So that should be fun. And that's going to be coming up probably in the next month or two. The other kit that I got is this, and I think I need to go a little bit bigger. There we go. I picked up this, the Revell Porsche Exotics kit, and I'm not exactly sure when this boxed kit was made. The box is obviously in terrible condition. The kits inside are really, really nice. They're all unstarted. They're all in really, really good condition. There's no missing pieces. Nothing's bent. So it should be a couple of good kits to put together here. And I'm interested in building all of them. Yeah, would I like that to be the Carrera RS? I would, but it's still cool. 928. Yeah, I mean, it'd be great to build one of the 944s, but that one's just going to be, it's going to be fine. And of course, the 914-6. A cool little roadster. Again, I'm excited to dig into these one day. Lastly, I picked up this. This is a Japanese name for it. Obviously, it wasn't called that in the United States when it was imported. But this thing has a little 4-cylinder turbo. And these kits are hard to come by as well. And they can also be pretty darn expensive. But this is a classic 1980s Subaru. Again, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Once again, if you haven't checked out Mars over at Mars Garage, you need to do so. I will leave a link to his channel in the description below. That's all I have. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will see you on the next one.